Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! By the way, my name is Luella Ganados Ledesma and I am a single mom. I have 3 kids with me, 2 boys and 1 girl. I decided to do this vlog to share with you my AXA experience because I really know I am going to have a lot of experience. I'm going to experience lots of things here with AXA family. By the way, I'm a newbie. I just entered AXA last September, and before deciding this to get into this job, what I am thinking is all about the commission, because I know I really need it. Kasi nga, ako lang mag-isa bumubuhay sa mga anak ko. But during the training, every now and then, dinibigay talaga sa amin ng reminders. It should be mission over commission. That's how noble this job is. And by that, I fall in love with this job. During the training, I have lots of realizations in life. Before, my focus is to have our dream house built. And good thing is, anytime, maabot na namin yung dream na yon. Our dream, my dream, and my kids' dream house. But during the training, I have lots of realizations in life. After hearing lots of testimonies, sharings, experiences by this family and his family, I realized ang dami ko pa palang kulang para sa preparation ng future ng mga anak ko. Well, as what I have said, this job is more on mission. Commission will follow. Its mission is to save life, to give financial advice, to give how to manage their financial. Kahit gaano kahirap, kahit gaano kaliit ng kita natin, we can do management. We can manage this. Well, usually, ang ginagawa natin is expenses, then income, then expenses. What we should do is income less savings, then saka na yung expenses. We actually have rule of thumb for financial management. It should be 20, 30, 50. 20, 50, 30. 20 savings, 20% savings, 50% for needs, and 30% for wants. So, if we're going to just use that, if we're going to do that standard, magagawan po natin ng paraan lahat. So, as for me, as a single mom, I have realizations in life that I am not really ready for whatever happens to me. So, before saving anybody's life, anybody's family, I first save my family. I first insure my family. So, I decided to have my first ever policy. And I'm very much happy I came up with a decision. That is one of my best decisions, to insure my family, to save for my family's future. That whatever happen to me, they are insured. A big company is going to take care of them, whatever happened to me. Well, yan po ang realization ko. Kung pag-iisipan natin, maliit lang naman yung kita ko, maliit lang naman yung sweldo ko, maliit lang naman yung monthly income ng mister ko. But guys, if you are going to understand, if you are going to see what is in that insurance, why you need to insure your family, magagawan po natin ang paraan. Yun yung sinasabi natin, kung ayaw, kung gusto may paraan, kung ayaw maraming dahilan. So, just don't think that gastos yan. It's not actually gastos, it's a need. It's a need. Kasi we have what we call unexpected things that might happen to you. What if you or your partner, especially the breadwinner, will taken out of the picture? Like me, I'm a breadwinner. What if I'm taken out of the picture? What will happen to my kids? Well, sa akin okay na. Kasi sinasabi nga nila rest in peace. Okay na sa akin. But do you think magkakaroon ako ng peace sa other life kung alam ko yung kids ko posibleng pulutin sa kahit na saan lang? Yes, I have my family, but they have their own family to take care of. So why should I let them be a burden to them? But in fact, they are my responsibilities. So guys, isipin nyo na lang po. If ever something happened to you, then you don't prepare for it. You have no preparation for whatever happens to you. What will happen to your kids? What will happen to your family? Ikaw as a mother, ano ba yung maiiwan mo para sa mga anak mo? Ikaw as a father, as a breadwinner, ano yung maiiwan mo sa mga anak mo? Kung kumikita ka ngayon ng 10,000 or 20,000, more or less, nauubos nyo. What will happen to them kung yung kita na yan, yung gasto na ginagastos ninyo every month na nauubos? What will happen to them kung halimbawang ikaw na wala? Yung kita na yan na wala, ano yung kakainin ng mga kids mo? Sino yung magte-take care ng mga needs nila? That is my realization in life, guys. I hope you get my point. Well, if you need more knowledge about financial management, well, I am not perfect, but I'm going to share with you my knowledge about it. Again, this is Luella Ganados Ledesma. I am a single mom, and I'm proud that I already prepared for my kids. I am proud that whatever happened to me, I have peace of mind that the big company I will be going to insure them, not a small amount, but quite a big amount. And maybe whatever happened to me, my kids will not suffer a life that is as hard as my life now. That is my legacy. I decided to have this legacy, that this hardship in life will stop in my generation, and I'll pass a better future, a brighter future for my kids. If some things happen to me, they will not live as hard as I am now. They will be having meron akong tinatawag na panigurado meron akong tinatawag na pamana para sa kanila. Kahit na single mom ako, I am very much proud that I decided to insure my kids with $1 million for only 1,000 to 2,000 a month. Thank you very much. If you want to have discussion with me in saving your family's life, just give me a call or visit my page. I'm going to put it here. Thank you very much, and again, I'm Luella Ganados Ledesma, your financial advisor. Usap po tayo. Bye-bye!